Railroad in Vancouver, Washington. State in Vancouver, Washington. BNSF train in Vancouver, Washington. BNSF intermodal train in Vancouver, Washington. Trains in Vancouver, Washington. Railroad in Vancouver, Washington. BNSF in Vancouver, Washington. Throughout the years, and I was filmed in 2012. BNSF in Vancouver, Washington. The mountains is right here. It's unique about these mountains I have.